Hey, what up you guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Now if you watch this video, I got a challenge for you guys. 6-month challenge, okay? Now this challenge is gonna make you a better person. I watch a lot of challenge videos and it's always something dumb, something unsanitary, something. It's funny, but no one ever did a challenge about, self-development, self-care. For the next 6 months, I want you to work on yourself, I want you to be smarter, I want you to be better. I want you to be healthier, and I want you to find ways for you to boost up your revenue. Get that money, man. Okay, without further ado, let's get to this video, y'all. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Aspire family where we get better, do better, and be better. If you feel like you're out of shape, pick the weight up, run a few laps, do something that's gonna get you right back in shape. I know it's gonna be hard, you're gonna be running out of breath or stuff like that, but it's okay, man. As long as you're doing something and you're working toward your goal, you're gonna eventually lose your weight, so don't give up. This pandemic got you broke? I understand it, man, but it's a lot of ways where you can make passive income, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make some videos of how to make some money, and you guys can watch it. Maybe it'll help you guys out. But I want you to get richer, rich at heart, rich in your bank account, rich at everything, all right? So figure a way for you to get rich at this moment, and so forth. For the next 6 months, work on yourself. I guarantee you, your bank account number is gonna go all the way up. When was the last time you read a book? When was the last time you had some new knowledge in your life? Try to get smarter, man. Smarter in education, smarter in knowledge of understanding things. I guarantee, man, it'll open a new horizon in your life. Check it out, guys. If you haven't been feeling well, for the next 6 months, I want you to work on your mental, your physical, everything. Work on things that's going to benefit your life, that's going to elevate your life, So without further ado, guys, that's the challenge, and I hope you guys take it into consideration, man. And for the next 6 months, work on yourself. And tag me in this video or whatever if you guys are actually doing it. I can post you guys up. I'm going to do it as well. I'm going to get fitter. I'm going to get richer. I'm going to be better. And I'm going to be smarter. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Aspire team where we get better, do better, and be better. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 1.